In front of me is Nokia 1.4, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to locate and open your Play Store. Then click on your account icon right here in the right corner and select Manage Apps and Device. And here just go to Updates. And you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, or you can pick some particular application to be updated and then use this icon. So for example, if you would like to update Clog app, just click here and it will be done. Here you can observe the progress. And let's give it a couple of seconds. And the same can be done with any other app. And if you'd like to update all apps, you just tap on Update All and it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. So you can only open your Play Store to check the progress. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily update apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.